Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 3D modeling in ITK Snap. So as you can see, this is a axial view of a knee joint. Over here you can see this is a knee bone, but as you can see the thickness, or you can say number of slices, are very less. So let me show you the image information over here. Here you can see the image information where the dimension is 256 by 256 and the z coordinate is 48. So we have something around 48 slices over here, and with voxel spacing as 1 by 1. Okay, you can see over here also the 48 by 48 thing. Now let's do the segmentation over here. So here you can see, you can select this active onto segmentation mode. To select this, now you have to decide which box you wanted to in which region you wanted to do the segmentation. So here you can see that you can select the area that you wanted to do segmentation by using mouse pointer. Okay, so I'm selecting this area. So now next thing that we have to click is on the segment 3D button. So after clicking on segment 3D, you will see a new window. So in this window you can see there are two sub windows. So if you click on this window, you can see like this bluish and whitish part. So this is like foreground and background. So as you can see, there is over here we have a thresholding operation. We can try different operations, but we are, for simplicity, we are keeping it thresholding operation. So the white part is the foreground and black part is, or the bluish part is the, you can say, background. So we want this part as to be foreground. So we have to change the thresholds over here, and now you can see that if I decrease the lower threshold, I have to increase the upper threshold also, and now I can get a good, my foreground is now the bone structure. So you can see in each slice the threshold has been applied, right? Yeah. Okay. So now the next thing is that we have to do the segmentation. If I give directly only this part, then I will not get a good segmentation or good labeling. So what I have to do is I have to place some seed points or labels to, seed points over here. So I have to first click over here, and then as you can see, you can set the bubble radius over here. So you can either increase the radius and then add a bubble at the cursor. So after clicking that, you will see there is a bubble is added over here. You can decrease the radius size over here if you want to find things. Then I will click over here, add bubble at this cursor. Yeah, let me see if it is covering all the area. Yeah, I think it is covering all the points, these 2 points, but I think over here, yeah, it may go outside. So let's try. Okay, so you have to click the next over here. So after clicking next, you will go to another area. Here you can set the parameters of the active contours. Either you can change and play with this like computation force and smoothing force, but for basic understanding, let's keep it simple. And then you have to increase, you can change the step size. I'm keeping 5 as a step size. And now as you can see, as we are here at this bubble, so I'm performing a single evolution. So as you can see, in each click it is getting the kernel is getting evolved. So as you can see, this is getting filled completely over here, and now I'm pausing it because now my segmentation it's coming to a halt. Yeah, so now after completing this, I will click finish. So when I click finish, you can see over here that all those things, like in each slice you are getting some segmentation label. So now after that, what we have to do, you have to click over here. There is a button called update. When you click it, you will get some 3D structure. So let me increase the size over here, and now you can see that we are getting some 3D structure over here. But now as you can see, the slice thickness is very less. The thickness, we are not able to get a good visual structure of the knee. If you have a good slices, something around 200 or some such that we may be able to see the 3D structure. Hope this tutorial helps you. Thanks. Bye.